Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the garden. So things here are out of control. We've had about 18 inches of rain in the past 28 days, and I haven't been able to get here to weed or to do anything really, pick flowers, anything. The grass is nuts. The mosquitoes are nuts. I've got like 5 citronella candles burning out here. I literally just looked down and there was a mosquito trying to bite my finger. Apparently I missed a spot with the mosquito spray. The garden is just a mess. So let's just take a totally honest garden tour and I'll show you guys what everything looks like. I guess we'll start off this tour and take a look at some of the standing water. It's this deep everywhere. And this is the first day that the sun has come out in I don't even know how long. I don't remember the last time the sun came out. Okay, so you can see a couple things here. You can see on the right, the Lysianthus have started to stretch and get taller. And check it out, they're going to be blooming soon. They're actually even budding up. On the left, the larkspur are just about done. They're pretty much going to seed. Seed pods are forming. And I've got this big pumpkin growing across the middle of it. And you guys would not believe how many pumpkins we have out here. So many pumpkins, so exciting. Our pepper plants are actually doing really well because these are in a little bit of a higher spot in the yard in the black plastic, so they're pretty dry. They're looking pretty happy, and we've even started to put on our first jalapeno peppers already, which is exciting, and we even have some marconis coming up. Also wanted to quickly show you guys my marigolds. They look so good. I just planted a little patch of them just because, no reason really. I think they look really nice. And you know, they're supposedly supposed to keep out bugs, but I'm starting to kind of doubt it. So as you can see, the alums or drumstick alums have completely finished blooming out. The bees are still all over them. Hopefully I'll have a video about those coming soon. This is the first time I grew those. It was kind of interesting. I think I like them, especially since the bumblebees love them so much too. During the period of rainy weather, the zinnia patch has actually erupted into bloom. You can see the front ones are the Cinderella Peach, followed by the Benary's Wine, which they look kind of light this year. Also next to those, Benary's Salmon, some Queen Orange, just lots of different colors in there. Starting to get some nice height, get some nice size flowers, looking pretty good. Also, do you see all these bees? They're going crazy. I love pollinators. I think one of my favorite parts of having all these zinnias is I consistently see bees and things that I have never seen before. Even right now, I just had to move my face away from the microphone because a big old honeybee was, I guess, coming towards me. I was in its way. Oh yeah, I did want to mention that that popcorn that we sowed from winter sowing and transplanted, look how good it's doing. It's the only corn in the whole yard that's doing good, and I transplanted it, so much for the whole "you ain't supposed to transplant corn, ooh" thing. It apparently works well. The cucumbers are still hanging in there on the trellis. We haven't lost any to bacterial wilt yet, but I have seen some cucumber beetles. Hopefully we'll still be able to harvest just enough to make us a nice batch of pickles. I hate pickles actually, but my family loves them, so I'm going to try to make some pickles. Last but not least, this is currently my favorite bed in the whole yard. It's like one of the one beds that is dry and weed-free. It's the zinnias, cleome, and the vines. Those vines in the very back are hyacinth beans. The vines in the front here are cathedral bells or cup and saucer vine. Cathedral bells? Yes, that's right. I always get them confused with Canterbury bells. In the front we have Cinderella lilac zinnias, Benary's lilac zinnias, and in the back, which aren't blooming yet, you have torch tithonia. I think this bed is so incredibly pretty. I just love the purples. I'm actually really impressed with myself because I didn't even try to color coordinate this. This accidentally just happened on its own. That's really about it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I kid you not, there is a mosquito trying to bite my camera right now. If you like this video, subscribe. I'd love to have you. All that good stuff. Making new garden stuff all the time. Hope you guys are having a great day. Talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.